Okay.
Orang siapa nih?
For you, daro em bino, for you, media em matikai. Daro em matie, DJ matie, manager Eezzy, don't Eezzy. For journalist em bino, cawa ini. Tim dong ni no rawa, matika timu press conference di concert Eezzy, matika timu media. Pero ichi hadisi nganda disi bema boro magaliba trio. So concert ini concert me maagi kuch ba dia madung abilore meta jol en la vir Eezzy en le kona ko te do yi kila ri ma wi ki bore dan ana dum ko en action so
be atamnya for meta chap kon for media houses when can team for the press conference for DJs Fisco Joel Nagubiana Akontoara of course the management team and solo. So briefly I will explain what this concert is all about. This concert is Obiano Ekarma Aberu pain, you know, with all this sickness, and I came up in that healing period. I know so many thoughts and Miro team something different because Enoberu Mirema Mega ever since I joined this industry, Miro team the moment different in the industry. That is why now when I joined this industry, my sound songs were totally different, way very different. Miro introducing something different to this industry, and of course, concert any will be part of that. Miro setting, at least I should call it a legacy. Any Miro get stage there. Any kila way mo akong ko bino bulo any Miro get stage there. When you down bino chwa and keken. We can also support our own artists. Very easy keken. We mapadi padi matuong. Kena no more poster mamega oluwe me actually kiti because it is one love. Ubiono supporting Eezzy Baganda. This is something is going to help them and lower the industry for the betterment of them too. So the main issue on this concert, you're not attending directly, is changing the game, making sure that we send a message out there. Actual cope out there, meaning okay, Danoma me actually, who may take it the way actually, because Danoma go out there on your fans, on your promoters, get them take care of all your all in the way actually mogo pay ripping and you pay keluchen and back. But this is to show them that even the way actually Ramati Mugana way ma Kampala. Because if we look at concerts when happen in Kampala, pay namla way more can maaki macholi unyongompa luo cheroka way come. But game gibiano kan giwero batwa kan. So mainly I am doing this with the industry, not me alone. Luwe luwara so that we can change the industry. A lot industry and we have one banner we profit from it because chen any mawa miu kidano da kedua ko kamu kene ke wa okai loko you know an ketim show you pay my bear chair katogo fashion kuya awilu ba ka wilu am cholo mchoro e on mo cholo Gulu City in Gulu Council. So I am trying to looking at that where Jimmy on Donga. And also the other reason Doc Nying concert. Can about concert Agiloni Peace and Love. I survived. Which means peace and love Kukima, yeah. Time when I was recovering, the word I survived, Loki I survived, it stands for the part ni atikan one ke do team, ati Loki do menyo tuni. Gimo ke mo team me kuona, ruba konya and akaro and aloy. And now peace and love stands for Gimara katam. What else should I do after surviving? Ngomo mira team. What I should do is spread peace and love. When you tell team ruoni, Jimmy Wang, Team Gero, Petero Akamu. Jim weng pegi tiago ki kavu. Oneno kama kavu. Okero Eezzy ye. Oneno. Kano pipiru ba kano Eezzy peke butien kano Eezzy mo maro kumbe kipeke ne. So that should teach us when you phone one Jimmy mawatimo eni. We add Coach Kimaye and we beg down on peluka. So it is mainly the theme of this concert, and the moment I step on that stage or anybody who is stepping on that stage, we better bringing out that, telling people, you know what, let's do this. I believe Paul Dano mo bibiro kan Chawa magu bitiako kan the arc can the dog down. At least no be more we do. You know, they've learned a lot and I've known that, you know, Jimmy Kavriu, Jimmy Petum Kavriu, you can finish things peacefully and we spread love. It still goes back to the other thing, what you mean. We need to love ourselves first. East or West, charity begins at home. So wachak gang kan, wachak luwe gang kan, wachak shows gang kan, kenano la way, moe kan kerepe Eezzy, Eddie Weezy, Lakzi, Pato, Lava Boy. The way when the way gang can you take winning the way to come out because China anyway maybe me la way and we talk about it moko karo ke Kenya we do to carry mama pero so it all comes back to us when China yone ke wadwa about what can do about so pole ati pushing for track pilotia na Acholi pilotia na Alur. Yeah, so that is mainly the reason.
Eezzy kumberichano wangeo ni pikar malach ilimberu no pete mo show. Ini kwakton be yap bene yo
yes, of course. Concert any also sends out Chwalo the new promoters mukena mo domano pole ginyo ni onyoguberu kitamo goni Eezzy don't go with stage. So I hope this we knew to gani Eezzy don't with stage and he can now start performing because Kacha performing can all the rest of other promoters came here by being extending concert tumbapu. My management numbers are on my Facebook, that is Eezzy Music on Facebook, Eezzy Music Instagram. Reaching out to us, we see how we can work this out.
Wangeo ni awano ma ini nono but awano ma lek and wangeo ni chao kene no dok mi yo compare check work dok e no mo fa wadong ni chao ma be me ramo ti mo constant.
Well, awano ma nono obedo gira awano ma piyo. Motera due kidue ni cham and afoiru ban team at least aromo berukan a logo mabe a we aro tinyabe mabe pian kar chan ni waburu di mo ken paromo wor mamuanu paromo luok mamuanu paromo. So immediately man no awano and I got the surgery. I better doctor no go achani abeka doc when I was discharged abeka doc hospital for every 24th of every month we do it. We are checking and watch the progress of healing. So the last month, Martin, they go my bed after they go watch the channel your and committee ye kumbeti. Although you can now continue with your everyday life things you've been doing because that is my main thing. My better watch do to my better chair, but can I now continue with my everyday life? So I get a chair now and do a watching now you can continue and do performance. They confirm said you can do performance but not intensively anywhere. Team show maybe team direct. Mogo pa being aware ke tajui aware ke lenga ta kwa abi aware in segments with team Bakiga abi aware ko na yue for 30 minutes adaka yue for like 5 minutes we lu konkora ni gibino oloto kom gi yomo twini chidaka dugu paka wanga watero so
I take question adi mone Eezzy wangeo ngomuteme kumi andama Paul gober ka penyu wigi ni gine oni mono bero plan palu welu wore kenyi cause gimero nyang bene kai winyo nyola we ma yo kero chen kumi
yanoni para mo wajune because pange lok adima lok madi matikum lok yanoni. But all I know is gimna arangeni it was as simple as no I show more. She mana teacher we stage no boys more dog get go watch Gimara chain mari moran. So what your boys are chain why o ka charo we stage away cha dogi me chain and where why near grabbing by force any bounce as a door flooding the pushing and kirana tile keda ring we stage away adugu ka ini boys no pere apeni bouncers wachani boys dong watia ko geo gube no ka kiro ka view but wago ge ngwaje kangwe imutoka ka dom gang wa dropping boys Matthew ke team manager na ki bouncers na mega any accident happen kara boys ma bouncers ago buko ara dogio goodbye la gwe Gimara go driver we go bien go yakwa but unfortunately ke Gimara ana ina tido mta pian driver na no olo awadi eno birangech nyongkong yo so an pero ni pore koma so that is what happened their intentions or what they wanted unyo ngarumo chwalo gi unyo ko e on pange
wanero in kumbe de bini tele bi wa ichwalo wa di rock kuja ngoma ini rom wadi kulu wel wori we go bin kara chelo we go mete kipelo wi rotiana choli.
Well, that is simple. Nying concert ke comme peace and love. Maki kuch. Ke kiem wan chalu we promoters, actors, media. Otigi maki kuji kiemwa. You can go higher, you know. You can go higher. I'm one artist. And chalu we pang geno ke ti media house mo nyola we mo. You know DJ mo. Matigi koke kumani Eezzy. Ame chao kina kumana iza lwa ni kere unyo ke fan mo kamo winyini izo lwa ni kingaro mo ibi Acholi kan unyo iluo kan. So discipline, I put discipline first. I'm one of the most disciplined artists, I should say, and that is one thing ma aromo chalo ne wa about upcoming artists mo kan mati bi in industry and let's be disciplined and put discipline first because it will help us, you know. It will help us, you know, reach places. Ana kan kamati ye kumbeti football dear get full, but oloto atin gimo because of my disciplined nature. So I believe the penny market coach is what will push us higher. So ke watigi market coach aromo peramo biyo kanyano wiwa.
Penya magete tieni. Any bit ti concert ma chiel chake me cha we ngo mono ma mier dano ko ke bore cause diriti niro ni mier karama ni ngo ma dan mier ko ke bore.
Well, kajui shows mogo ma shows mera shows ata aberuka performing the way you guys have been seeing me perform chi tamoni a concert ma mega ni karama ma mega be performing kemi. So I believe people should just be excited. Angeni dano mogo mier biyo kanel kita achang kere kita nen kere story wen ke tigi mo mapen yang mabe inino show dire abi boko story na keto beru kere kita ati kere. If you want an up close look atie after the show we have, you know, a meet and greet and all that oberu ka chelo boko lo ke fans na mega piana ngene guri full na pegena. So I have a lot planned for them. Performance hapo beru CD performance keta juu beru keni abiti mu live band. So if you enjoy live band, come and we enjoy. Wabinda mo chill. We have a good evening.
The time just asking where does he get tickets?
Well, we unfortunately don't have tickets out now because of a little bit of fraud that was going on that we detected. So mainly on the ticket thing. So we don't have tickets going on. You just come on the gate and pay. So anybody out there, if you have any ticket for Eezzy show, we don't have any tickets, so no ticket will be allowed.
Yeah. Eezzy, I would like to say, I would like to appreciate God for your quick recovery and bringing you back to your daily life. My main concert goes to you and the organizers of the event. Currently, we are facing a problem of weather impact. So today I can see it's sunny, but tomorrow we don't know what may happen. Do you guys have a solution in case rain disturbs the event?
Well, since that is Jopadhola nature, when we're working, since we are blessed, I believe I'm a blessed child, and the northern industry or the northern region is also a blessed region. We have been through so much. So I believe, so I want Jopadhola, we're working, Ukonywa, Kayuk Madip, Kumanti, Bino Gang, Acholi, and Ukonyo down on a path. Because this is not just my concert, it is helping street kids. For New Guinea, Team Gear, Wumbo, Team Gear, so, the street kids, we knew Duan and Eezzy. pingo party kidwan and a lock gipian. The only way to meet them is on these concerts where they listen or they stand outside and listen to what I say and tell them, you know what, can come to here. And it is what I've been teaching on all the radio talk shows I've been doing in the land. So I believe Corona Zano and Matiwa will win. And Neoni Magimara Magiwinu Loka, Bobby Winu Loka and Giloka, and also my fellow artists, if you're out there, Luwara, let's push out this message. Peace and love is what we need. Wajok Tengero, Wajok Beru Mapewa Mara, I have no problem with any artist in Bulu or in northern Uganda at large. I think collabos kido when and I believe the industry we will grow. Yeah, Nigerians are growing. All Nigerians are going to get growing because industry is fully one piece and one love. And then okay, with kid, when you need a way more chalo easy to hero, okay, with kid when you need a way more chalo easy to hero, and come your way for like a year, where at least market Mamegani is a be not tapping, keda and do. So I'm going to do the way is it a tapping market Mamegani, in Ben pushing and we're in his state. So it is why we see them big and they are filling stadiums pa muni. So we can also do that. Uganda in the Negwa way. Yeah, Uganda in the Negwa way. We can enjoy it to the fullest. So there's no reason why Beruka, struggling for power and what, the way more can deep in his own perspective. Yeah. So I respect every artist out there. Big up on yourself. Yeah. The way when by the way, Magubino Kachwaka for you matek. Actually for Chabot for matek. Ikarema, I need you the most. You've been there for me. I have nothing much to offer. But they came and supported me, or they are offering to come and support me because they like what I've done and they want to support me. So thank you so much for the support.
You have had songs, Kagana Kiaro, and all that, and you're talking peace, forgiveness in yourself and a victim.
Yeah.
We have seen interventions of security, which kind of have been harsh.
Yeah.
You are a big brand. What would you say to the security, to the government, for example, in regards to Nanani, the street kids, the Yanwangubian and before?
Well, that's a very good question. In accordance to that, you see, it is not only the government's work. Pini Jimmy when movie team the Uganda can it begins from us, the community, the society. Wana yomira wa ripe kache, Gulu kanto wa koro monme a kikampala nyoki barracks kabino ka working on all the bad things or all the Garomatiti district and one chalo one kila ngarachela chel matimo onyoma ma starts ka view tigi me na tigi la me na tigi babane tigi brone ma oloto anangeu solongeu ngangeu. We are all together. So if we join together and you talk to each one, we spread one message, things can change in just a minute without even involving the government. So it all starts from us coming together. One child lieutenant Acholi, one child lieutenant you. Waripe kachel, but him Jimmy when kachel kon wachwalunga maki kuch. That is the message I want to send out there to the people. Yeah.
Maybe to the manager. Watiki Gimara, watiki Motika to name Mokana. I follow the matter about the Mama teacher, we have a lot of things in Eezzy music, apart from the concert itself. What you have a project, movie better to support, fresh talents. What you have Kitawa go, no Malutia go to it's not because getting out but it's just because they are unemployed. They don't have something getting chama. So we are opening a center to empower talent. That will be for you in Kenya, DJing will be Kenya, so that we have professional DJs. By the time Mano DJ Joel and your DJ Frisco becomes a legend,
no latena go money ma wakwanyu kiping DJ Joel obieno fonyo through academy pa is not something can also do something that is to empower other talents, and we see we're pushing other talents to the world. Now that's why I can't now show any matiti many. It's fully Acholi material. Yeah. Why? We've decided we give a platform to talent mamua so that the entire world can see that. Imagine we feel actually in an Opong with thousands and thousands of people. I'm sure media houses make a part like you know, and it's a signal to companies. For instance, Mapegimero sponsoring events magang. Kampala show not here winning Guinness, all those other companies still sponsoring the events. But magang, less companies beno to give sponsorship. It's so disappointing company more endorsements to la variety law advert make company more. Yet Latin actually can the way who are talented. Boss make Eddie Wizzy, Eezzy, but they cannot give them those endorsements. La Loramoti go advert leblora, and you worry and ask yourself. Yet Kichero deep in the villages, a brand like Eddie Wizzy, Eezzy, Laxy, and Polite Bosco and other artists, Liama, they can represent that brand more than La Lora Eoni, because they attach themselves to the community. Even though Chope is in team, work those companies will come in. We have brands madong they are branded. Chan you can compare an artist Kampala, kono a Nigerian artist in a way magulu, brand wise, video wise, and everything. Come to DJs. DJs are so branded. And they have improved their game. So it's high time we start supporting our own talent. Yes.
This center, when is it starting? What exactly is going to be happening to the
what?
center? Center
probably we are looking next year. We've already acquired the land. The land is in Nawiadul. We are still lobbying for some other few things. The support. Is doing all this Kenya Chalo and Tina Modwa concert Erutimu and Chalo Eezzy. Though some sponsors Mukiano Bien and sponsors Makwene Magang. So now by next year, no project on Utimu. We are working hand in hand. Eezzy is initiating it. Kadichene Pere. Kawa Ben wano niva Latin gang DJ Joel tiki turntable kongo bini konya to the DJ's part. Lutia mama uti wa okunu vuluma peguno kwango skine wa mochani. We have a lot of teenage pregnancies. Now on those teenage pregnancies, what's taking them to that? Of course it's finance. They are looking for more money. But if we come and empower you into dancing, Mielachuli Enitekwa and the rest. We have a group here whereby James Kati team they can hire those girls and go and do and get some money out of it. It will empower them where those such prostitution and the rest. Besides that, we call upon anyone out there, travel the project. If you're out there and you can come in and support Eezzy in that project that he wants to start, well and good. Actually, it's going to be entirely free. We are not charging anyone. It's going to be free of charge. We just pick low privileged people to come.
Maybe Eezzy, or just a minute on about the project. Miripa project in Kenya.
Well, Miripa project in Keta Manager now is basically trying to change the community, trying to change the society. We cannot keep spreading peace and love, and yet people are suffering, people are unemployed, people don't have money, people don't have jobs. It can't work out. So, in the other way, we'll spread peace and love and unity, but as we empower, the society, mostly the youths, because we are the future of tomorrow. All these different youths, we give them a home, a place where you come, learn things that you want to do talent-wise, DJing, singing, MCing, dancing. You come and learn. Being a phone gym will be empowering in society, in the community, and you earn money from it. At least it helps you grab onto this world and start something with your life. So basically it is that, where being aware of the reason why we come and sing is because we are no fan base and no power, we can change something in the society. Now that I am at a state where I feel like at least changing in my society. A bit pay and there's nothing I can be remembered for. I want to do something, however small it is, to change the land and empower people. People that will be there even years from now and say, pi yupa Eezzy, unyopi yupa gena kuman, unyopi loka Eezzy. I learned something and I was empowered and I changed my life.
Eezzy, Mirni can only when it is through a transformation of the society. That is right. Yeah. Now, how sustainable are those projects going to be? Because most projects collapsing now. No sustainability now.
That question still goes back to the peace and love and unity I was talking about. Kewa chwa keke kenwa, narumo ken mati neno an kumbeti chawa eni feels like this is a good idea and they would want to be part of it because it is up to them to help and sustain this project, so that it can go further. And kana paramoting eni jimi palwa. Now we can come together, join hands, and change the society. So anybody out there, narumo ken mati nena kumbeti manoni, they can offer help, to this project I've started, because I'll be starting a Oka more and I will need help also. Keruba Konyo. But no, so if anybody's out there and is ready to offer help, what you can, numbers, Mamegwati pages, Mamega, you can reach out to us, come check out what we are planning to do. By next year it's gonna start. It'll be in an area Keta Kaberuti Kere and how we are going to be doing things.
You want to learn something?
Please. To add on what Eezzy has said, this year also, the plans we have is we are stopping to sing for competition. From today onwards, we are singing to take the northern music and change the northern music to another level. Eezzy's music is going to change. We're going to start singing about gender-based violence, drug abuse. We're going to start singing about project songs. Now, on those project songs, what are we trying to do? Transforming the what? The society. And this goes out to everyone, events organizers, those who are organizing awards. I think Eezzy is no longer going to be in any award competition. Reason being, we are not singing now to compete, because every artist is good, yeah? We are not singing to compete, but at least to transform the society. So not everyone shouldn't be surprised seeing again Eezzy, Wayman or Where Richon Alur is now singing about what? Then on the sustainability plan, trust me, if Eezzy changes someone's life, that person is going to change another person's life. Imagine we bring more DJs on board, yeah? More professional artists on board that are trained under Eezzy music. The more our music will go at higher. If we train more producers, trust me, our music will even cross borders. If we train more presenters or journalists who come to our home in the Eezzy music camp, they will come and basically teach also other people. For instance, right now, if you're to see, DJs have made a lot of hit songs, our own very own products, and people are eating out of it. For instance, if you go to some DJs, DJ Frisco, who are even here, yeah, they have made a lot of songs, new talents. After lockdown, we've had a lot of talents that have come out, made by our own DJs. And I'm pretty sure that only pay food power with those songs playing anywhere. But now, these same DJs, they have made those people start earning right now. Some of the artists are going for shows everywhere because of the same DJs who have built them. So that's actually the sustainability plan that is there. We empower them. Thank you.
For this concert is not only in Bulu here, but we are starting with Bulu City. So this is information about the concert. During we are here at Acholi Inn. The gates opens at midday. So everyone is welcome to come as early as possible. Artists will start performance like around 2 to 3, then till late. So you have to come early. Eezzy has communicated that he will be performing shifts. So he's going to perform all his songs, so make sure you are here early enough. After that, the next weekend, we are going to Kiriandongo district, that's Biali town, at Atwani, that's on the 13th. We will also have the tour there. Afterwards, we are going to Lira, that's on the 14th, at Front Page. Then the following week, on the 19th, we are going to Maracha and Koboko, that's on the 19th of August. At Maracha, we will be at the Link. Then Koboko will be at Dolphin Gardens during daytime. Maracha will be the night show. Then the 20th, we are going to be at Pakwach, Mama Africa Leisure Center. Then last but not least, we are still going to be in Ajumani on the 2nd of September. So the shows are going everywhere. Our shows are going everywhere just because Eezzy is loved, not only in Gulu City, but everywhere in northern Uganda. That's why you see we are going to West Nile, Lango sub-region, even in Kampala. But we decided to start from home. So this is a peace and love concert. We are welcoming everyone, as long as you're Ugandan, you are not a Ugandan, the concert is for everyone. So I must thank the sponsors who came on board to give us support. This is support we need from the fans too. Because like Mega FM, they have supported us free of charge. We have not even paid any 50 shillings. This is the kind of support we need. All the artists we are seeing here, they come to support Eezzy. So you see the organizers that have come to support Eezzy. The promoters, that is the organizers, event organizers in Northern Uganda, under the Northern Uganda Promoters Association. We decided to make sure there's no any other concert on the 6th of August. That's why you see tomorrow, the only concert in Gulu City is for Eezzy. So that's the support we are trying to give, and we are making sure we promote the concert because when we are united, we stand, but divided we fall. So I encourage everyone to be positive because we don't need any negative vibe tomorrow because the concert is going to sell out. Issue of rain, I don't think rain will be there because we are all Christians and God is on our side. We are blessed, so tomorrow people come early. I would like to thank all the sponsors, for supporting one, and thank the artists, the DJs, sponsors Simadwong, Watiki Acholi Empire on the first side, Mubiono supporting Eezzy, Watiki Starland, Watiki Rosalind Pitia promotion, Watiki Mega 100 and his sister to Mega FM 102. We have Rich Hand Uganda actually, they have contributed a lot to support us. Watiki the Covenant, that is a bar and grill in town. We have Badman Management, Kenya Scarlet Promotions. We have the Wiz Management and Charina Models who have come to support us. They're the ushers, beautiful ushers. You'll see them tomorrow here. We have DJs, very many other DJs. Bulusai TV is also there. We have many other DJs who are on board. We're taking DJ Joel Fresh, we're taking DJ Emma Unique, we're taking Frisco, we're taking many DJs marketing on board. Propose DJ Sam Legend from Uganda Pub. So only artists there are about 50 artists. That's the reason we are emphasizing for people to come early enough so that they get the best entertainment. We don't want you to come late and you miss out. So Eezzy is fit to perform tomorrow. Tickets. We don't have any tickets anywhere because if you want to support home talent, this is how you start. Because that's how America that's how we build the industry. When you're gonna Eezzy Walter that I've already talked about. So I'm for a logo on the artists we are working all the way. But I also encourage the artists who are always preaching negativity because it will not take us anywhere. The artists who, the journalists who want to write only negative things about artists or the music industry. And that's why our music industry was down for a long period of time. So we encourage the artists and the media people who are here to try to also talk about the good things. They only want to talk about the bad things, which is affecting our industry. So thank you very much. We thank Acholi. There are very many other people who are coming to support. Guests from Kampala. We have even surprise artists actually, because Eezzy is not only loved also in northern Uganda. So the others who have been requesting us that let them come and support. So they are coming. Tomorrow you will see them on the stage. I don't want to talk now much because everything has been said by the artist, the manager, and the team who are here. Thank you very much for coming. See you tomorrow.
Now, Joel, I will just need to do some one-on-one about project by Eezzy Matikabian.